In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore pre-built artifacts and create your own custom artifacts in Claude AI, step by step. Think of artifacts as reusable building blocks inside Claude, ready-made helpers you can open, run, and reuse, or personal resources you create and reference in chats. They're great for speeding up repetitive work and keeping your important materials close at hand. First, open Claude AI in your browser or the desktop app. Use whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Artifacts. This takes you to a dedicated space where everything is organized and easy to browse. At the top, you'll see categories that help you narrow down what you're looking for. All shows you everything in one place. Learn Something focuses on educational and skill-building helpers. Life Hacks offers practical tools for everyday tasks. Play a Game gives you fun, interactive options. Be Creative is tailored to brainstorming and content making. And Touchgrass nudges you toward real-world offline ideas and activities. To try a pre-built artifact, simply scroll through and click one that fits your need. For quick idea generation, open Brainstorm Idea Generator and feed it a topic to spark structured suggestions. If you need professional emails fast, choose Email Writing Assistant and provide your context, tone, and key points. Working with spreadsheets? CSV Data Visualizer can turn your data into charts. Just follow the prompts to upload a CSV and select how you want to visualize it. Most artifacts include simple inputs and clear outputs, so you can preview results, iterate, and reuse as needed. When you're ready to make your own, click New Artifact. You'll choose a type based on what you want to store or reuse. Text snippet for reusable prompts, notes, or templates. Table for structured lists and small data sets. File for uploads you want handy, or document for longer formatted content. Give your artifact a clear, searchable name, something like March Marketing Plan, so you can find it instantly later. Then paste your content or upload your files. Keep things organized and concise so the artifact is easy to understand at a glance. To use your artifacts in chats, reference them directly in your message. For example, you can say, "Use the artifact March Marketing Plan to draft a campaign email sequence." Claude will pull in the content and follow your instructions, saving you time and keeping everything consistent. Finally, organize your artifacts into folders or collections so your workspace stays tidy. Grouping by project, team, or purpose makes navigation faster and helps you maintain a reliable library you can build on over time. That's it. Explore, customize, and put artifacts to work to streamline your workflow in Claude AI.